Hello viewers, today we are going to see about the alpha beta pruning project. Okay, here's the diagram for alpha beta pruning. Here's the tree for alpha beta pruning. How the tree going to get pruned if the conditions are satisfied. Like here's the condition over here is alpha is greater than or equal to beta, then the tree should be pruned. Okay. So we are going to consider two things here. One is minimum, another one is maximum. For maximum, we are going to consider alpha value, and for minimum, we have to consider the beta value. Okay. The values are traversed towards the left to right only. So initially, we have to put max, minimum, like this, max, minimum over here for each level. And the first level, initially we have to put alpha value equal to minus infinity and beta value is equal to infinity. Those values are traversed towards the left to the bottom of the tree. So alpha value equal to minus infinity and the beta value is equal to infinity. Here we have to consider the minimum value here, that is beta value. So with the given value. So whether the 10 is small or the infinity is small, 10 is small. So we have to put 10 over here. And then we have to check with the 5. Is 5 is small or infinity is small? 10 is small, 5 is small. So we have to put 5 instead of 10. Then we are going to here upwards. So we're going to consider the maximum value, that is alpha value. So put 5 over there instead of minus infinity and go to traverse towards the right hand side to the bottom. Alpha equal to 5 and beta equal to infinity. Check whether the given value 7 is small or the infinity beta value infinity is small. 7 is small. So we have to put 7 instead of infinity, and check with the 11 also. Whether 11 is small or 7 is small, 7 is small, the 7 should remain over here. And then the value should traverse to the upside to the maximum value. So alpha equal to 7 should put over here. And then the value or traverse to upside again. The minimum value should consider the beta equal to 7. Okay. And the values are traversed over the right hand side now. The alpha equal to minus infinity and the beta equal to 7 here, like, and then to the downwards, alpha equal to minus infinity and beta equal to 7. Okay, check whether the given value 12 is small or the 7 is small, because you are going to see about the minimum value, right? So 12 is small or 7 is small. 7 is small, so 7 will be written. And then check whether 8 is small or 7 is small. 7 is small again, so 7 will remain again. Here, then the value is going upwards, so we are going to have the alpha value, that is maximum value over here. So we have to put 7 instead of minus infinity. Here we got that constraints like alpha is greater than or equal to infinity, so 7 and 7 are equal. So the next tree should be pruned. The 9 and 8 should not become because it was pruned over here. And then the values went to upwards. Right here, the alpha value equal to 7, the beta value equal to infinity, and then it goes down to the left hand side to the value. Okay, alpha equal to 7 and the beta equal to infinity. Alpha equal to 7, beta equal to infinity. Alpha equal to 7, beta equal to infinity. Right now, okay. Now we have check the beta value is 5 is small or infinity is small. 5 is small, right? So 5 have to put 5 instead of infinity. So here we got that 7 is greater than 5, that is alpha is greater than beta. The constraints are satisfied here, so next tree should be, the leaf should be pruned. So 12 should be pruned, and the value is given to the upwards, right? Max value. Okay, so alpha equal to 11, beta equal to infinity, sorry 7 and beta equal to infinity. Okay, the value should come over here, alpha equal to 7 and beta equal to infinity, and we have to check now, so whether 11 is small or infinity is small. 11 is small, so have to put 11 instead of infinity, and then you have to go for checking 12 value. So 12 is small or 11 is small. 11 is small, so the 11 value should be retained over here, and then we go to alpha. Check whether this 7 is small, 7 is small, or 7 is big, or 11 is big. It's 11 is big, right? Maximum. So we have to put alpha value equal to 11, beta value equal to infinity, and then it goes upwards again. Alpha value equal to 7. And the beta value equal to, so we have considered minimum right here, so beta value equal to 11 over here, and then goes down alpha value equal to 7 and beta value equal to 11, alpha value equal to 7, beta value equal to 11 over here. We'll check whether consider with the given value is 9 is small than 11, right? So 9 is small, so we have to put 9 instead of 11. And then you have to check with the 8. 8 is small or 9 is small? 8 is small, obviously. So we have to put 8 instead of the 9 value. So the value is traversed towards upside. And for the maximum value, check whether the value given in that alpha is equal to 7 and beta equal to 8, right? So which is big? 8 is big. So have to put alpha equal to 8 and beta equal to 11 over here, right? And then check with here whether alpha equal to 8 and beta equal to 11 over here. Check with the given value is 7 is small or 11 is small. 7 is small, right? So have to put 7 instead of 11. And then check with the 10 value. We're not able to check with the 10 value because here's the constraints are already reached. The alpha is greater than equal to beta. That is, alpha value is 8 and beta value equals 7. Obviously, the 8 is greater than equal to 7. So this should be pruned. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting us.